The sculpture being unloaded from the trailer that they got here. I'm not really sure. They say it's going to take about a half an hour to install. It's a really cool looking thing. It'll be done here soon. I just thought I'd give you a heads up when you're driving through Sisseton to keep an eye open for this corner being kind of busy with the sculpture being put up. I should change the name of this to say sculpture, not special meeting. I'll change that right now. So yeah, so Highway 10 sculpture. So yeah, so there you go. That's the new sculpture being unloaded. You can see there, they're just in the process of getting it off the trailer. Here comes a semi, so you're going to see the semi coming through. So yeah, so here's what it looks like. So be prepared. I'll do another short video once it's up and doing its thing. Okay. Here's what it looks like right now on the east end of Sisseton. The guys putting in the new sculpture. Looks pretty nice. Okay. I'll be back in a few. Oh, here they go, picking it up, bringing it up to the spot where it's going to be mounted. They're in the process here. I'll just stay here now that I think about it, because it looks like they're just about ready to take it off the trailer. So they're just about ready to take it off the trailer. So I'll be here for that. Then I'll come back on and give you guys a heads up of what it looks like afterwards. Looks like they're about ready to pick it up and haul it here. I'll let you see that part and then I'll get her done. There it is, up in place. They just gotta bolt it down and get it done. It won't take much longer. I'll come back on again and give you guys a done video of what it looks like when it's done. Thank you. Have a great day. I'll be back later.